Hello everyone, I'm Siad Malim from Soma Academy, and in this lesson I will discuss how to find the factors and multiples of a whole number. Before we get started, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so. That way, when I release new content like this, you will get notified. Let us start with the definition of what factors are, and then I will also define what multiples are as well. So, a factor is a whole number that will divide into another number exactly. What that means is when you divide a number by another number, you have no remainder. You have no remainder. So it is exact. An example of this is when you divide 4 by 2, you get exactly 2 without a remainder. Therefore, you can say 2 is a factor of 4. What about multiples? Multiples are the multiples of a number is the product of that number and any other whole number. Given that we have defined what factors and multiples are, let us do some examples. So the first example we have is find the factors of 20. So we said factors are numbers that will divide into another number exactly without any remainder. Okay, so what are the factors of, let me use a different color. What are the factors of 20? So the first obvious one is when you divide 20 by 1, you get 20. So 1 is a factor of 20. So how about if we divide 20 by 2, we get 10. So therefore both 2 and 10 are factors of 20. You continue. So 3 is not divisible by 20, therefore I cannot divide. So let me just try. 20 divided by 3 is, you get 6.66666. So it is not exact. So that is not one of them. How about if I divide 20 by 4? What do I get? That is 5. Therefore, both 4 and 5 are factors of 20. What about 20 divided by 5? That will also give me 4. Therefore, these two are factors of 20. 6 is not divisible by 20. 8 the same, 7 the same, 9. So how about 10? 20 divided by 10. That gives me 2. Therefore, these two, 10 and 2, are factors of 20. So in general, what are the factors? They are always in pairs. So 1 and 20 are factors of 20. 2 and 10 are also factors of 20. 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 10 and 2. Okay, so the other one is 20 divided by itself, which is equal to 1 and, so the other pair is 20 and 1. Okay, let us do one more example. Okay, so what are the factors of 27? Factors of 27. So the first one is 27 divided by 1 is 27. So these two are one of them. The 1 and 27 are factors of 27. So 27 divided by 2, it's not exact, so I can't do that. Let's start with 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So let me use another color to label there. Okay, so 3 and 9 are factors of 27. So let me do the next one. 27 divided by 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9 divided by 9, that gives me 3. So what this means is 9 and 3, which is just the reverse of these two, are factors of 27. Okay, which is the next one? The next one is just so the next one is 27 divided by itself. 27 divided by 27, that's 1. And so these two are also factors of 27. So let me write down one more time the bears. 1 and 27 are factors. Color. Okay, 1 and 27, 3 and 9, 9 and 3, and then 27 and 1. Okay, these are all the factors of 27. Okay, so you start with 1, you divide the number by 1, it's always divisible, so that is one of the first factor. The next one you look for, try with 2, there will be a remainder, no, so that's not one of them. 3, it's exactly divisible, and then 4, no, 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, and then 9 is divisible by 27. Okay, 10, no, 11, 13, 14, no, but 27 is exactly divisible by itself. So the factors are all those numbers listed here. Okay, let us do an example on multiples. So what are multiples? Remember, the definition of multiples are the multiples of a number. Saying the multiple of 10 are the product of that number and any other whole number. Okay, so what are the multiples of 10? Multiples of 10. So 10, 1 times 10 is a multiple of 10. 2 times 10 is also 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay. 5 times 10 is 50. Okay. 6 times 10 is 60. So we have to find the first 6 multiples of 10. The first 6 multiples of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because they are all multiples. So when 20 is a multiple of 10, 30 is a multiple of 10, 40 is a multiple of 10, because 40 is 4 times 10, so it's a multiple. 50 is a multiple of 10 because it's 5 times 10. 60. So the first six multiples of 10 are, you always start with 1, which is the obvious one, so until you reach the 6th multiple. So in this case, the multiples of 10 are 10. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is also one of them, but we are only asked up to the first 6, so we can stop it there. Okay, let's do one more example to make this very clear. So what are the multiples of 7? So 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. So all these numbers are multiples of 7. So 14 is a multiple, 21, 28, 35, 42. But we are asked what are the first 6 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you are asked the first 7, you will continue. 7 times 7, which is 49. But in this case, the first 7 multiples, the first 6 multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, happy learning.